So for this experiment, we're going to have 3 test tubes, 1 phenol, cooking oil and water, and a pipette. Now let's get to the video. Hey guys, it's Casey. Today we're going to be learning is oil and water mix. And we have a phenol, a pipette, a test tubes. Safety first. Okay, let's get started. So first, let's open the water. Take the cap off. And now let's pour it in. Whoa. And put it back in. Take the oil. Open it up. Take the pipette and suck up some of the oil. And you can see the oil going down. Whoa. Whoa, that's a lot. Oops. Okay, that's enough. So now let's take the phenol off and put on the cap. Put it over it, shake it together. Now let's see what's gonna happen. And it doesn't mix, it looks like it's separating. Now oil and water don't mix because they're separating. The oil's on the top and the water's on the bottom. Thank you for watching my channel. See you next time on Casey's World. Bye, guys. Now the experiment is over and we know that the oil and water can't mix. Do not dissolve together. The fun fact. The process is called emulsification.